Hello cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Sunday, January 15th, 2023. Start a bike ride at 1:46 p.m. After getting home from church, eating a snack, getting dressed. I'm riding my Linsky Helix bike today. Weather 72 degrees, mostly cloudy. Winds out of the south at 14 miles an hour. Going to be a little windy ride. It's been a few days since I've rode outside. Today I'm going to ride on the Kingwood streets. Haven't done that this year so far, I don't think. I'm at almost 147 miles for the week, so I'm thinking probably today I'll ride 20 miles. Give me a little, almost 50 miles I think left to reach my goal, 300 miles for the week on the road. If the weather will cooperate, I should be able to do that.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Oh, I'm on camera right now, huh?
Will be in a second. Now you are. Have a great ride. We're on Wildwood Ridge in Bear Branch Village, and across these two guys. Actually, they came across me. .5 miles times 158 p.m. Passing Trek Bicycle, Kingwood. Riding through Kings Harbor after riding north on Westlake Houston Parkway over San Jacinto River. .6 miles, and the time is 26 minutes after 2. Riding parallel to Westlake Houston Parkway, headed north. YMCA's to my right. .5 miles. Time is 2:30 p.m. Riding around the lake at Foster's Mill. First entrance off of Kingwood Drive. Riding beside Kingwood Drive, riding east. Riding northwest parallel to Mills Branch Drive. .6 miles. Time is 55 minutes after 2. I'm riding on a greenbelt section that I have not ridden on very often, and I made a wrong turn. So I'm retracing my steps to get to Woodland Hills Drive. 20.7 miles. Time is 22 minutes after 3. Riding through Wood Ridge Forest. We're going to go on Adams Street. A few weeks ago I lost the local legend on Adams Street, so I'm going to ride it one more time, or run it today, and add to my total. Maybe I can reclaim it soon. That's a Strava local legend.